Breaking news, Bitcoin just hit $20,000 sooner than expected. Yes, I'm going to tell you why this is a trap, and 99% of you guys are going to fall for it. With that said, guys, hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. This is DC Trading. Let's get right into it. First off, before we get into Bitcoin, the past 2 days, over $300 million liquidated in short positions. So all you bear Bitcoiners out there are getting wrecked as we speak, with 175 million being liquidated 2 days ago. Yesterday, 162 million liquidated, and tomorrow we'll find out for today, which I expect also another big number just because it pumped to $20,000. Now, as you guys can see, if you take a look right here, Bitcoin pumped to $20,000. If we put it on this chart, actually, yes, we broke through this resistance after the CPI numbers came out and inflation's at 6.5%. And the past 24 hours, as you guys can see, the daily candle just exploded for today, and it touched 20,000 before getting rejected. This is the truth reality for Bitcoiners. This is where a lot of Bitcoin beginners are going to get wrecked, because they're going to use emotions when they see this right here. They're going to say, oh, I missed it. I need to start buying Bitcoin before it leaves me. It was at 16,000. I thought it was not going to go any higher or any lower. So I just wanted to wait. And next thing you know, you see this, and a lot of Bitcoin beginners are going to use emotions, start to FOMO, and start to buy at a bad position. Guys, I'm going to tell you the harsh truth reality. Macroeconomics right now is going down for the US and for the world. So what makes you think Bitcoin is going to go up when people are struggling right now to afford food, gas, rent? They don't have any money to put in to investments. That's just the truth, harsh reality. As you guys know, Jerome Powell is still hawkish, and is still going to be hawkish. This is why on January 31st, I do expect him to continue to raise interest rates. So that's just the harsh truth reality. I thought we were going to hit it on January 31st, but we hit it earlier than expected. If you take a look right here, guys, on the weekly EMA, we almost touched, guys. We almost touched the EMA 25, which is a good sign. But do I expect to see Bitcoin rally continue? No, guys, I don't. I think the top for this rally was around 20,000. It may go a little above 20,000, maybe 2,200 or 20,200, but anything low or higher than that, I don't believe it's going to happen, just because of macroeconomics, as I said previously. Also, right now, the U.S. economy is in bad shape. So with that said, I don't expect Bitcoin to go any higher. This is just a fake out to get all these crypto beginners to start pouring money into the market and then getting wrecked. As you saw right here, guys. As we saw earlier, over here, short position people getting wrecked just because they were over leveraging, thinking it was going to go even down lower, not expecting this. This is what happens in the crypto market. You guys got to learn. Make sure to subscribe to stay updated with this on the daily basis. But as I said, the top for this rally is at $20,000. If we take also a look on the daily time frame, you guys can see right now we're just pumping right now, just off of hype and emotions right now, because people are starting to buy, people are getting wrecked in short positions. So it may, last a few more days before we see a Bitcoin correction, because this is not sustainable, guys. Because in any crypto market, if we want stability, well, we cannot see this every single day, just pumping, seeing green candles like this, because this is unstable and this is very volatile, because people will get wrecked if we see this, guys. I'm telling you, we're going to hit a point in the next few days where we're going to start to consolidate and then probably test again and then get rejected around the $20,000 price range before seeing a correction back down. And then from there, we can start talking about what's going to happen next. Are we going to see a rally up to 20,000 once again on January 31st? Or are we going to see a major wreck? Because, as I said, the Feds are going to still be hawkish on interest rates. They're still not going to slow down. We're still going to see interest rate hikes. So this will cause a recession. Many experts, guys, are saying that there is going to be a major recession in 2023. This is what experts are saying. So based off of that, I do think that the top for this rally is around 20,000, guys. So please do not fall for the trap, because if you just look at this, guys, without any of this right here, if you look at this does not look sustainable, guys. If we see this right here, I think we just haven't seen green candles for so long that everyone's starting to get hype and happy, because we have seen we have been in a bear market for over a year now. So we're just, itching for something that's better than what we have experienced. But as you guys can see right here, we touched this second level of resistance. I don't think we're going to break through. We might break just a little bit through, possibly 20,200, and then getting rejected. If we take a look right here, guys, we are oversold on the RSI on the daily time frame. This is also another sign we're oversold, so we're going to have to correct somehow. We're going to have to correct downward. And if you take a look right here, as you guys can see, we saw this right here, or it made its way back up healthy. This right here, guys, is not healthy, as you guys can see. So we need to be aware and expect a correction in the next few days for Bitcoin. The RSI is oversold. Or not oversold, overbought. So we need to be careful, guys. So please do not get wrecked in trades and start buying Bitcoin right now. Just wait for a correction before you make your final decision on what you're going to do with Bitcoin. Are you going to buy more? Are you going to sell? Or are you just going to wait? With that said, guys, hit the like button, subscribe, and tomorrow I will be back with some more breaking news for Bitcoin, as well as some technical analysis and what to expect. Don't fall for the trap. With that said, peace.